That's a lie, guys. I really don't know what I was about to say. But now I have to go backwards. Okay. Now that I'm walking, every time. I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video out in the rain, clear my thoughts. Yeah. All I can really think about is making things for you guys. Anyways, so all of this stuff is really just to inspire the world. Oh my God. And to really signify the style, like, this shit is what you want to be wearing, you know, like, you know, like, you get it? Like, it got the juice. It got the juice, bro. It got the juice. Okay? So, if you buy this shit, you know what that means, right? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, he got the juice. He took the juice. He got the juice. He got the juice. He got the juice. That's what it will mean, bro. Oh my God. My ankles. It's a whole ass river right there, boy. You better calm down. Okay. Thanks, Daddy. Oh my God. So you guys have to buy something, please. Like, if you guys want different colors, just let me know. I'll make it. I'll put my love into it. You guys will love it. And I will just mail it to your house, bro. I got you. I got you. At these terms and conditions at this moment, I got you. And please, sign up. Send me your email. I want to hook you up with some coupons and some events and like all my favorite shit. I'll just put you in, bro. I'll just put you in. You want to come in? Check out my website, dippout.com. I got you, bro. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm so excited for this. We're gonna have so much fun. We can boop to boop, toot to toot, hey, and you're gonna love it. Okay, I'm gonna go back to listen to some. What is it called? I got some new beats that I'm listening to. I'll share it with you. I'll do a little thingy thing. Okay, I'm gonna get back to focusing on so I don't like mess up. I don't want to fall up in here. These shoes are done. Oh shit. This is a whole ass lake right here. Oh, I was so humble. I took those steps so humbly. Okay. Okay, that was fun. That was cute. So is this how I get home? But there's so many. That's not it. That's like, what is that? It looks like it's heading down to the lake, so definitely not for regulars. But it looks like there's a trail right there that would take me to the roundabout. So I guess it's not open. Maybe it has like certain hours. I don't know. Never been here. But the gates look similar to here. You guys, I would have to come back in the daytime and check it out and let you know. Again, please, I'm so happy you guys was on this journey with me. This was like a very spiritual journey for me. And it really makes me realize like who I'm doing it for and what I'm doing it for. And it's really for you guys. And I'm excited. This is fun. And I'm happy you guys are here with me. That's all that really matters. You know, so you're family now, you know? So I really want you guys to really feel the love. And it's gonna be with these products I make for you. Thank you. Make sure you share with your friends and family, aunts and uncles, brother and sister, mother and father, cousin and uncles. Make sure you share with them, you know. They're gonna love the stuff that I have. Okay guys, I'm gonna go. It's getting rocky. It's getting rocky and Bullwinkle out here, okay? Gotta go, bro. Gotta go.